Very good evening, Abhigyan, and welcome. Now let's start the lecture. What we have seen in the previous lecture, हम लोगों ने Young's double slit experiment की बात की थी. We have discussed Young's double slit experiment in the previous chapter, not in previous chapter, in the previous session. क्या होता था ये? We used to take a single source, जिसके आगे हम एक कार्डबोर्ड लेते थे. We used to take a cardboard ahead it, and we used to make two slits. दो ऐसे strips हम बनाते थे, isn't it? And these two slits used to behave as the individual light sources. These slits used to behave as individual light sources. और उसके बाद क्या होता था? इन दोनों में से लाइट निकल रही है. They would interfere, they would superpose, and we would observe a pattern of maxima and minima on the screen in front, something like a zebra crossing. Isn't it? Sir, what happened to Sushant Singh Rajput? What are you saying, Nishan? Focus on the lecture. ये सारी बातें क्लास के बाद पूछना मुझसे. Okay, अब पॉइंट पे आ जाओ. Analysis of YDSC interference. Okay, we have seen in the previous session. क्या देखा था हम लोगों ने? मैं रिवाइज करवा रहा हूँ. These are the two slits. देखो क्लास के बीच में बस आप फोकस किया करो. आफ्टर द क्लास आपको जितनी बकवास करना है करो. ओके, आई वुड गिव यू माय टेलीग्राम. यू हैव माय टेलीग्राम आईडी. यू कैन आस्क द डाउट्स, और कोई भी पंचायत करनी तो उसके लिए भी मैं आपको टाइम दे दूंगा अलग से, बट नॉट बिटवीन द क्लास. क्लास इज ओनली मेंट फॉर स्टडी. यू आर पेइंग नॉट फॉर पंचायत, यू आर पेइंग फॉर कॉन्सेप्ट्स. दिस इज वेरी क्लियरली आई एम सेइंग. ओके स्मार्ट गर्ल, नाउ लिसन. सो हाँ, प्रीवियस स्लाइड जिसने भी कहा था, दिस इज द प्रीवियस स्लाइड. रिया, यस. सो आई एम कंटिन्यूइंग. दीज आर द टू स्लिट्स, S1 एंड S2. ओके सीरत, नो इश्यूज. आज बहुत धीमे धीमे पढ़ाऊंगा मैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. टुडे आई वुड टीच वेरी स्लोली. दीज आर द टू सोर्सेज S1 एंड S2. टू स्लिट्स बेसिकली S1 एंड S2. व्हाट वाज द सेपरेशन बिटवीन S1 एंड S2 स्टूडेंट्स? S1 और S2 के बीच का सेपरेशन क्या था? स्मॉल डी. वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड. शाबाश. याद है सबको? सबने रिवाइज किया है? वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. एंड व्हाट वाज दिस सेपरेशन? कैपिटल डी. एग्जैक्टली. शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. आई रियली लव द स्टूडेंट्स हु कीप ऑन रिवाइजिंग बिफोर अटेंडिंग द लेक्चर. दिस इज पॉइंट P. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस डिफरेंस? What is this difference called? Let's say this is P dash. So what is this difference called? ये जो इतना मैंने बनाया है. Very good Sneha, very good Apurv. Delta X, that means not phase difference, Divya. This is path difference. This is delta X. This is path difference. Okay, this is not phase difference. ये path difference है बेटा. सिंपल सी भाषा में कहूं, so this is the path of wave 1. This is the path of wave 2. Okay, path of wave 1, path of wave 2, and this is the difference between the paths. So that means this is the path difference. Okay, and this is some general position y on the screen. So at any position y, we have derived the equation. What we have said? We have said that the path difference delta x is nothing but S1p or S2p minus S1p, isn't it? S1p minus S2p. So S1p minus S2p जैसे ही आप लोग करेंगे, as you would apply the Pythagoras theorem and you apply, बाद में बर्नौली थ्योरम भी लगाते थे. मैंने बताया था कि you don't have to apply Bernoulli theorem, you just have to write by applying Bernoulli's theorem. We get result something like this. Delta x equals to y small d by capital D. Okay, previous lecture का revision चल रहा है पूरा. So what was the condition for constructive interference? Anyone of you? What was the condition of constructive interference? What was the condition for constructive interference? Constructive interference कब होता है? What is the condition for constructive interference? When the path difference is in terms of path difference. Tell me in terms of path difference. Keshav, Apurva, very good, Manisha, very good, Manisha. Nishant, in terms of path difference. Okay, very good, Riya. So the point is not same frequency, beta. Definitely देखो same frequency बोल सकते हैं वैष्णवी, But the point is, I am asking in terms of path difference. Same frequency is correct answer, but I am asking in terms of lambda. तो कितना lambda होना चाहिए? This is wave 1, this is wave 2. क्या इनका interference constructive हो सकता है? Will the interference be constructive? Can the interference between these two waves be constructive? Students, yes or no? Students, all of you, yes or no? Quick yes or no? ज्यादा टाइम मत लगाओ, जल्दी बताइए. Yes or no? Yes, it can definitely be constructive. So the path difference, so the amplitude would increase. The amplitude would increase, है ना? इनका path difference कितना है? What is the path difference between them? That is lambda. How much is the path difference? It is lambda. ठीक है? The path difference is lambda. Also the path difference can be 2 lambda. यहाँ से start ना होके, even if the wave doesn't starts from here, even if this wave starts from here. Very good, Vijendra. Good evening. See, so if the wave even starts from here, still it would be a constructive interference because the particles are doing the same thing. How much is the path difference right now? It is 2 lambda. Yes or no? Hi Anna, jaldi boliye. Good evening Tamanna. The path difference is lambda, 2 lambda, 3 lambda or n lambda. The interference would be constructive. Isn't it? बात समझ में आ रही है? So delta x equals to n lambda is the condition for constructive interference. All of you getting the point? बात समझ में आ रही है सबको? Delta x equals to n lambda is the condition for constructive interference. ठीक है ये बात? Now see, for maxima, for constructive interference, you have said delta x equals to n lambda. And what is delta x? And what is delta x? सर एक बार फिर से एक बार बता रहा हूं मैं, ये हम लोग प्रीवियस लेक्चर की बात कर रहे हैं तमन्ना. वी हैव सीन दैट व्हाट इज द कंडीशन फॉर कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंटरफेरेंस. व्हाट इज द कंडीशन फॉर कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंटरफेरेंस? द कंडीशन इज path difference must be integral multiple of lambda. The path difference should be integral multiple of lambda, जो कि मैंने यहाँ पे लिख के स्टार बना दिया. Very clear? We have seen this in the previous chapter, previous lecture, previous session. Tamanna, quickly, yes or no? Okay, so delta x equals to n lambda is the condition for constructive interference. What you write delta x को आप क्या लिखते हैं? What you write about delta x? Delta x equals to y small d by capital D, isn't it? Yes. तो आप y को क्या लिखते हैं? What do you write about y? स्मार्ट गर्ल, ये सारी बातें लेक्चर के बाद में, ठीक है? अभी सिर्फ फोकस करो कॉन्सेप्ट्स पे. Listen, what do you write about delta x? Delta x is y d by d. So y small d by capital D equals to n lambda. So what is y? Y is n lambda capital D by small d. Very good. ठीक है? Yes. Okay. Is this thing very clear? This is y. For minimum interference, what is the condition of minima? What is the condition for minima? What is the condition for minima? The condition for destructive interference, ये बात हम लोग देख चुके थे, that the one wave, let's say this is wave 1, let's say this is wave 1, let's say the another one is wave 2, let's say this is wave 2. तो अगर एक पार्टिकल वेव का ऊपर जा रहा है तो दूसरा पार्टिकल नीचे जाना चाहिए, हाँ या ना? If one particle is going up, the another particle should go down. So this is the condition of, this is the consequence, or this is the condition of destructive interference. Okay. We have seen this. I hope that this is very clear. तो रिजल्ट क्या आता था? Analysis of interference. Center maxima. There is a maxima at the center. After that minima. After that again maxima. After that again minima, and so on. We have also discussed about the fringe width. What is fringe width? This is the separation between two maximas or two minimas, isn't it? So we get the formula beta equals to lambda capital D by small d. या न्यूमेरिकल्स आएंगे बेटा खुशबू, अभी आएंगे न्यूमेरिकल्स, डोंट वरी, वी विल बी डूइंग लॉट ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल्स. We have also discussed the angular fringe width. What is angular fringe width? Alpha. This is nothing but using formula theta equals to arc upon the separation. Arc upon the separation. So you can write alpha equals to this separation upon the distance between them, that is d. So you get alpha equals to lambda by small d, isn't it? So now this is all what we have seen. We also have seen that what is the shape of interference. अगर आप ऐसी रेक्टेंगुलर स्लिट्स बनाते हैं अगर आप रेक्टेंगुलर स्लिट्स बनाते हैं, so what do you get on the screen? You get strips. If you make strips of point sources, हाँ डेफिनेटली तमन्ना, कल वाला रिवीजन चल रहा है अभी, ओके. If you make point sources, the pattern is circular, isn't it? We have seen this. Okay, now I'm coming to the quiz. Yes, now see, this is a question. जो भी क्वेश्चन हमने कर लिया हो तो बता देना. I would skip it. Young's experiment establishes that we have done this. Yes or no, we have done this. Students, yes, we have done this. तो इसको skip करके आगे बढ़ते हैं. इस क्वेश्चन को skip करके हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. We have also done this. Okay, ठीक है, ये भी हमने कर लिया है. काफी क्वेश्चंस हम लोगों ने कर लिए थे. Yes, okay. We have done this one also. Okay, yes, cool. ठीक है, तो अब हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. ये बात हम लोग देख चुके हैं. Now see, I didn't let ratio वाला क्वेश्चन. Which one अपूर्व? Which ratio वाला क्वेश्चन बेटा? रेशियो वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं हुआ था आफ्टर द क्विज. ओके, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कर लेंगे हम लोगों, कर लेंगे. वी वुड डू दैट क्वेश्चन. राइट नाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट द फ्रेश टॉपिक. राइट नाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट द न्यू टॉपिक. Now we would be discussing diffraction. Okay, so this was about the previous chapter. I gave 15 minutes for the recap of previous chapter. Now we are starting the fresh unit. That is what we call as see. Now see, we would start diffraction. Vijendra is asking, when did Swapnil sir return? Acha, when will Swapnil sir return? Vijendra, I have no idea. You can directly give a call over there. Okay, and you can ask them in the management, or you can mail them. Okay, frankly I don't know, so I cannot give the answer. Now see, I am starting with diffraction. हम लोग diffraction शुरू कर रहे हैं अब. ठीक, सब लोगों का ध्यान सिर्फ यहाँ रहेगा. बाकी सारी बातें भूल जाओ, बाकी सारी बातें दिमाग से निकालो and focus. It's a very important and very interesting unit. Bending of rays from, क्या बात है, युवराज ने आंसर भी दे दिया इतनी जल्दी. Very good युवराज, I appreciate it. See, first of all, what they are showing in these two, what they are showing in these two slides, in these two diagrams, in these two figures. There's a compact disc. If you rotate this disc, आप इस disc को rotate करते हैं तो उसमें colors दिखते हैं अलग-अलग, isn't it? And also you can see that अगर आप morning walk के लिए जाएं, so the light of sun that is coming from, scattered from the particles of air, कुछ इस तरह का कुछ image दिखती है, that this light is scattered. Tyndall effect, isn't it? So why it happens? It happens because of a special property of light. It happens because of special property of light. अब अगर मैं आपसे कहूं, अभी तक आपने क्या सुना है? अभी तक आपने सुना है that if light is striking a medium, if light is striking a surface, light would bounce back, isn't it? If light is striking like this, it would bounce back over here. This is what you have learned till date. अभी तक आपने ऐसा ही पढ़ा है. But now what I'm going to tell you is something different. Light बड़ी समझदार होती है, ठीक है? It has a property that, let's say light is traveling in a straight line. It travels in a straight line. It comes in front of a very small obstruction. How much a small obstruction it should be? It should be in the order of the wavelength of light. अगर इतना छोटा obstruction है कि वो उसकी वेवलेंथ के कंपेयर है, then light won't strike it. लाइट उससे टकराएगी नहीं. Okay, so it would just deviate from its path and it would carry on. लाइट जो straight जा रही है, it would just bend from its path and it would go again in the straight direction. This effect is what we call as diffraction. Okay, now see, light is male or female, naughty girl, पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो. See, diffraction of light, bending of light rays from sharp edges of an opaque obstacle or aperture, and its spreading in geometrical shadow region is defined as diffraction. Okay, the bending of light rays from sharp edges. Okay, now see what they are doing. Let us consider a disc over here. ठीक है, let us consider a disc over here. सामने से लाइट आ रही है, ओके, at the edges of the disk, students, can you see here? At the edges of the disk, it bends over here and it goes something like this. ठीक है बेटा, चैट्स में पंचायत बंद कीजिए सब लोग, फोकस एक जगह पे रहेगा. नाउ सी, लाइट इज कमिंग, इट बेंड्स फ्रॉम द एज एंड यू सी इफेक्ट लाइक दिस. ओके, कैसी कैसी बातें कर रहे हो. और वैसे एक लॉजिक बताऊं तो लाइट का हिंदी में नाम होता है रोशनी, so it shows that it's a female. Okay, now let's get ahead. So this is the effect of diffraction. Okay, diffraction definitely depends upon the size, or let's say the aperture of the obstacle. Diffraction is possible in all types of waves, which means that electromagnetic or mechanical, both types of wave shows diffraction. What are mechanical waves? Students, what are mechanical waves? Quickly, what are mechanical waves? Any one of you? आप में से कोई भी बताइए. What are mechanical waves? Yes, Mansi, very good. That need medium to travel. Very good, Mansi. So what are the examples of mechanical waves? Is sound a mechanical wave? Yes or no? Is sound a mechanical wave? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, definitely yes. इसको मीडियम चाहिए होता है ट्रैवलिंग के लिए, स्टूडेंट्स, isn't it? So sound requires medium to travel. That's why it's a mechanical wave. Sound का भी diffraction होता है, as well as light is also diffracted. That means electromagnetic waves as well as the mechanical waves would diffract, provided they come across the obstructions of the size comparable to their wavelength. Okay, तो ये बड़ा important point है that both the types of waves. What is aperture? Beta, aperture means diameter or the size. In layman language, if I say aperture means the size, and how do we measure the size of some disk? It would be due to the diameter. Okay, Apurva. Okay, see, diffraction of light. What is the condition? Right now we have said that the condition of diffraction is that the size or the aperture should be almost be comparable to the wavelength. That means lambda is proportional to aperture. Okay, practically it is observed that when the size of aperture or the obstacle is greater than 50 lambda, means 50 times of lambda से ज्यादा है अगर, if, then it won't show diffraction. ठीक है, good point, smart girl, but I'm not going to answer it. Okay, don't distract all of the students. See, diffraction of light. ठीक है, वरना मैं चैट अभी म्यूट कर दूंगा आप सबकी, फिर चैट में कुछ भी नहीं दिखेगा. चैट सिर्फ इसलिए है ताकि आप डाउट्स पूछ सको और युवराज सिंह जैसे आंसर्स दे सको. युवराज इज कंटिन्यूअसली गिविंग गुड आंसर्स, so I appreciate you, युवराज, very nice. Fraunhofer diffraction. ठीक है, there are two types of diffractions, Fresnel diffraction prism और Fraunhofer. So Fraunhofer की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, एक साइंटिस्ट थे who gave the law of diffraction, Fraunhofer diffraction. What is said? In Fraunhofer diffraction, both source and screen are effectively at infinite distance. हो. क्या मतलब इस बात का? What do we mean by this thing? What is it saying? That the source and the screen are effectively at infinite distance from the diffracting device, and the pattern is something like this. See, am I lagging students? lag हो रहा हूं क्या? वीडियो दिख रहा है? Hello, can you see me? Students, मैं दिख रहा हूं? Hello, all of you. Yes, good. Okay, see what I said. Manisha, you can't see me? Okay, yeah, okay. Rishabh sir, thank you, Rishabh sir. Okay, now see. Abhigyan, the internet signal from my side is full. You please just check or sit at some different place, Abhigyan. See, this is a source, students. This is a source. Okay, this is a source, and this is a slit. Okay, Vaishnavi, what are you asking, beta? Vaishnavi, you are asking some doubt? Sir, in this difference, we can use convex lens. In this diffraction, we can use convex lens. Beta Vaishnavi, if you use why would you use a convex lens? First of all, tell me. Okay, I'm refreshing it. Vaishnavi. Okay. Vaishnavi, why would we use a convex lens? If we use a convex lens, it would converge all of the rays, na? We are trying to observe a pattern of diffraction. Okay. By using convex lens, it would simply converge the light rays. Okay. And we are trying to observe, what we are trying to observe is something different. Now see, we have a source over here. Slide is not visible. Virendra is saying slide is not visible. Is it not visible, students? Can you see the slide? Hello, students. Beta slide दिख रही है क्या quickly? Yes or no? दिख रही है ना? Okay. See what this point is saying. This point is saying that the separation between the slit and the screen and the separation between the slit and the source is very large as compared to the diameter of this, as compared to the aperture of this slit. That's why he has used the term infinite. That's why audible नहीं हूँ, वैष्णवी को मैं audible नहीं हूँ यार. Why is it happening? Let's check the microphone of वैष्णवी. बेटा आपको आवाज आ रही है वैष्णवी? Audible ना? Okay, now see. वैष्णवी please refresh it. एक बार refresh कर लो बेटा वैष्णवी. Please एक बार refresh करो वैष्णवी. Because the class teachers who are attending here, they are telling that it's all fine. So definitely there might be some issue from your internet. Now see, what we are trying to understand is in this diffraction, this is a slit, this is a separation. Okay, these are the light rays which are traveling over here. ये light rays आ रही हैं. Okay, so what would happen? It would get diffracted something like this. Try to understand. These are the light rays which got diffracted. Okay. Kshitij, Priyanshu, don't comment in the chat box. Only use this comment section for doubts. Okay. Now see, listen. ये light आई इस तरह से diffract हुई और इधर से भी distract हुई. Okay. Now see. You can see what is the path difference over here. Delta x, how much it diffracted from angle theta. This angle is also theta. Students, ध्यान है सबका? All of you, सबका ध्यान है? तो मुझको जल्दी से बताओ delta x क्या होगा? What would be delta x? जल्दी बताइए quickly. What would be delta x in terms of that small a वो जो दिख रहा है सामने? Divya, this is not Young's double slit experiment. This is single slit. So just see the diagram and then tell me what would be this delta x. Look at this triangle. Divya. Kshitij, tell me what would be this delta x. Divya, Vaishnavi, and all of the other, please tell me quickly. This angle is theta beta. What would be this? This is a. This is delta x. What would be delta x? Anirudh. Delta x क्या होगा in terms of a? Anyone? What it would be? Keshav, cos या sine? It would be cos or sine. It would be a cos or sine. See. Okay. This angle, listen, students. This angle is theta. Yes or no? Definitely yes. This is delta x. You know for small angles, tan theta is equal to sin theta, isn't it? So path difference you can directly write as almost as, I'm using a term almost, a sin theta, isn't it? I can use a term almost over here, and for small angles sin theta is equal to theta. Okay, so delta x equals to a sin theta, delta x equals to a theta, this and this. Okay, these are two very important results. The students, क्लियर है बात? डेल्टा एक्स इक्वल्स टू ए साइन थीटा और डेल्टा एक्स इक्वल टू ए थीटा फॉर स्मॉलर एंगल्स. ठीक है ये बात? डेफिनेटली. ओके रिया, नाउ सी what is the pattern of diffraction of light in case of a single slit? These are the slits. These are the slits over here. This is light coming here. Okay. At the center, here also we get a maxima. At the center, here also we get a maxima. At the central point O, let's say this is the central point of the screen. Beta, ye kya hai? This is the screen. This is the screen, isn't it? At the central point O on the screen, the angle theta is 0. The angle theta is 0. आपने क्या फॉर्मूला लिखा अभी डेल्टा एक्स का? व्हाट फॉर्मूला यू हैव गिवन फॉर डेल्टा एक्स स्टूडेंट्स? डेल्टा एक्स इक्वल्स टू ए साइन थीटा, isn't it? Yes. So if theta equal to 0, if theta equals to 0, how much would be delta x? How much would be delta x? 0. That means no path difference. That means no path difference. That means no path difference. That means the condition of constructive interference, isn't it? That means no path difference. That means it's a condition of constructive interference. Yes or no? Definitely a yes. Definitely yes. So delta x equal to 0. That means at the center, you would get a bright fringe. You would get a maxima. बात दिमाग में जाती है? लॉजिकली समझ में आ रहा है सबको? रटना नहीं है कुछ भी. सामने फॉर्मूला है. द फॉर्मूला इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस. डेल्टा एक्स इक्वल टू ए साइन थीटा. What we did, we just wrote for theta equal to 0, delta x equal to 0. Okay. So the answer is that at center, we would get a maxima. Okay. Now see. What would be the condition for a destructive interference? What would be the condition for a destructive interference? Let's try to understand the condition of destructive interference. We know that the condition of destructive interference is delta x equals to, delta x कितना होना चाहिए? लैम्डा बाय 2 होना चाहिए ना? लैम्डा बाय 2, पाथ डिफरेंस इक्वल टू लैम्डा बाय 2, 3 लैम्डा बाय 2, 5 लैम्डा बाय 2, 7 lambda by 2. This is the condition for destructive interference. Yes or no, students? Yes or no? We know this now. Just substitute the value of delta x over here. What are you asking, Vaishnavi? Sorry, मैं देख नहीं पाया. Sir, if theta is very small, if theta is very small, then sin theta is almost equal to theta. If theta is very small, sin theta is almost equal to theta. Okay. Okay. हाँ, बुरा मत माना करो यार, चैट में मैं देख नहीं पाया. So anyways, याद दिला दिया करो कि सर कोई डाउट पूछा है. So sin theta is almost equal to theta for smaller angle. वैष्णवी और कुछ पूछ रहे हो आप? बेटा प्लीज टेल मी क्विकली. You asking something else, वैष्णवी? Anyone? Any doubt? कोई भी नहीं? चलो ठीक है. ओके 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 ओके. Now see. Yes, clear है ना? Okay. So the point is we are discussing the condition of destructive interference. The condition of destructive interference. Okay. What is the condition of destructive interference? You know, एक separate slide ले रहा हूं मैं. सुनना बात को ध्यान से. I am taking a separate slide over here. देखो जरा ध्यान से. What we have seen over here. If wave from two parts will interfere destructively, then third part will leave some intensity on the screen and it will be a secondary maxima. What are they saying? If wave from two parts will interfere destructively, then the third part will leave some intensity on the screen and it would be a maxima. The path difference between L and M dash. This is L. ध्यान से स्टूडेंट्स, कॉन्सेप्ट जो है छूट जाएगा दिमाग से. सी दिग्विजय, व्हाट हैपेंड? कोई डाउट दिग्विजय? ध्यान से देखो, अभी सुनना, अभी डाउट आएगा तुमको. अभी मैं बताऊं तो सही, उसके बाद डाउट आएगा. दिस इज अ बिट ट्रिकी. सुनो ध्यान से. दिस पॉइंट इज L. ये पॉइंट L है. दिस इज M. दिस इज M dash. ओके. L M dash. ओके. We have divided the slit in three parts. A by 3, A by 3, A by 3. ठीक है? A by 3, A by 3, A by 3. The path difference between L and M dash. बेटा सब लोग ध्यान इधर रखो, वरना चैट आप लोगों की म्यूट कर दूंगा. कोई डाउट नहीं पूछ पाएगा फिर. All of you. ठीक है? Why three parts, Apurva? Okay, listen. Why three parts? We can divide it in two parts also, but why I'm dividing in three parts? Because we are trying to understand the effect of two parts over one. कि दो पार्ट से लाइट आ रही है तो उसका थर्ड पार्ट पे क्या इफेक्ट होगा. ओके ओके, सो आई एम म्यूटिंग द चैट म्यूट कर रहा हूं मैं. ओके, द चैट इज म्यूट राइट नाउ. अब आप लोग सिर्फ सुनेंगे, वन वे लेक्चर होगा, बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट कीपिंग, यू आर जस्ट नॉट लिसनिंग टू मी. आप लोग लिखे जा रहे हो चैट में. आई एम सेइंग दैट यू जस्ट हैव टू यूज चैट फॉर आस्किंग डाउट्स. What happens that if some student gets some genuine doubt, he won't be able to get the answer right in between the lecture. तो ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, लेकिन एनीवेज यू आर डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग एवरीवन, सो वी वुड डू दिस. नाउ सी, डायरेक्टली रिमेंबर द कंडीशन फॉर फर्स्ट सेकेंडरी मैक्सिमा, सेंट्रल मैक्सिमा. आफ्टर दैट द मैक्सिमा इज कॉल्ड सेकेंडरी मैक्सिमा. ओके, इफ आई टेक अ सेपरेट स्लाइड ओवर हियर, सी, this is the screen. In case of single slit, what pattern we got? We got a maxima at the center. After that minima, after that again maxima, after that minima, after that again maxima, and so on. इस तरह से कुछ पैटर्न चलेगा. Okay, so the central one is called central maxima. Okay, the central one is called central maxima. This is called secondary maxima. This is called secondary maxima. This is also called secondary maxima. Similarly, minimas. Okay. तो ये पहला secondary maxima है, ये दूसरा secondary maxima, and so on. This one is central maxima. Okay. So what is the condition for first secondary maxima? It would be theta equals to 3 lambda by 2a. Because the general formula says, listen. Single slit versus double slit. Single slit versus double slit. The results are exactly opposite. Directly आप किस तरह से याद रख सकते हैं? बात सुनो सब लोग. सिंगल स्लिट और डबल स्लिट का रिजल्ट एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट है. सिंगल स्लिट में, डबल स्लिट में आप लोग क्या लिखते थे? व्हाट यू यूज्ड टू राइट इन द डबल स्लिट? दैट डेल्टा एक्स इक्वल्स टू 2n प्लस 1 लैम्डा बाय 2. किसकी कंडीशन होती थी ये? दिस यूज्ड टू बी द कंडीशन ऑफ मिनिमा. और इसमें आप क्या देख रहे हैं? इसमें आप क्या देख रहे हैं? व्हाट आर यू सीइंग इन दिस सिचुएशन? यू आर सीइंग दैट द थीटा, ओके, थीटा, the condition of theta is 2n plus 1. What is this? Lambda by 2a. Okay, lambda by 2a. ये 2 मैंने बाहर निकाल दिया, LCM से बाहर निकाल दिया. Okay, I have taken this out. Now listen, this is nothing but delta x. बात सुनो, सब लोग बात सुनो. This is the condition of maxima for delta x. वहां पे जो कंडीशन मिनिमा की होती थी, यहाँ पे ये कंडीशन मैक्सिमा की है. ओके, यू कैन राइट डेल्टा एक्स इक्वल्स टू ए साइन थीटा. सीखा हम लोगों ने ये हम लोगों ने सीखा. यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स, क्विकली फोकस ऑल ऑफ यू. ये हम लोगों ने सीखा. डेल्टा एक्स इक्वल्स टू ए साइन थीटा हम लोगों ने सीखा. यस, सो for smaller angles, sin theta is equal to theta. So you can write delta x equals to a theta. Substitute it over here. क्या condition मिलती है आपको? What condition do we get? Students, what condition do we get over here? We get a into theta equals to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. Okay, so what is the condition of theta? This is 2n plus 1 lambda by 2a. A को डिवाइड में भेज दिया. We have sent this a in the division. Very good, Apurva. Rest of all समझ में आया? This is the condition of maxima. Sir, please show previous slide. I was disconnected. Okay, Ria, no issues. What I said is Ria, try to understand. I said that single slit and double slit, their final result are exactly opposite. So the result of minima in case of double slit used to be this: delta x equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. Okay, what I wrote, delta x equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2 would be the condition of maxima in case of single slit. Okay, फिर मैंने क्या लिख दिया? Then I wrote delta x equals to a sin theta. हाँ या ना? Yes. Then I wrote sin theta is equal to theta for smaller angles. Vaishnavi, as you said, sin theta equal to theta for smaller angle, isn't it? So we wrote delta x equals to a into theta. So a into theta equal to this much. You get the result for theta as something like this. Is this thing clear? Yes, very good, Anirudh. Very good, Anirudh. Correct. It is opposite. Yes. Okay. Now see. Now see. Now. What we can say? What we can say? We have seen this much. Yeah. Condition for first secondary minima. Condition for first secondary minima. Or let's say condition for minima. Condition for minima. जो कंडीशन मैक्सिमा की होती थी डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट में, जो कंडीशन मैक्सिमा की होती थी डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट में, that would be the condition of minima in this, isn't it? All of you, it's opposite. So anyone, what used to be the condition of maxima in double slit experiments? Quickly. Very good, Arshul. Very good, Divya. Okay, n lambda. Yes. Very good, Digvijay. Very good, Apurva. Very good, Sneha. Okay. So what used to be the condition of maxima? What used to be the condition of maxima in double slit experiment? That delta x it should be equals to n times of lambda. Okay. यहाँ पे ये कंडीशन किसकी बन जाएगी? For single slit. Yes, this would be the condition of minima. This would be the condition of minima. So we can write that delta x equals to n lambda, and we write delta x equals to a sine of theta. हाँ या ना? Quickly, yes or no? And for smaller angles, what we can write? And for smaller angles, what we can write? A times of theta. Very good. Apurva, very good, Mayank. Okay. So delta x equals to a theta, and we are equating it with n times of lambda. Simple. अरे आसान है, हाँ या ना students? So what do we get? Theta equal to n lambda by a. This is the condition, general condition of minima, isn't it? All of you, ये मिल गई हमको condition of maxima and minima for a single slit experiment. This is the condition for maxima and minima for a single slit experiment. And if I show you the graph, this is something like this. Anyone? What is the difference between double slit and single slit? Quickly, what is the difference between double slit and single slit in terms of energy? I'm asking. In terms of energy, I'm asking. Students, quickly. I'm asking in terms of energy. What is the difference between single slit and double slit? Anyone? Answer me quickly. जल्दी आंसर करना है. एनर्जी के टर्म्स में what is the difference between single slit and double slit? In terms of energy, I'm asking. Yaar, give me the answer very quickly. Didn't get the question. I am saying that in terms of the energy of the pattern, of the interference pattern, in terms of intensity of the pattern that you observe on the screen in a double slit and a single slit, what is the difference? Double slit और single slit में क्या difference है? एक तो position का difference है, that different positions of lambda. दूसरा difference कोई बताइए? In single, energy is maximum in case and minimum in double slit. It is if at maximum. What are you saying, Mansi? I didn't got what you're saying, Mansi. मानसी, आपने क्या लिखा है? लास्ट लाइन मुझे समझ में नहीं आई, तो मैं अनम्यूट कर देता हूं. यू कैन डायरेक्टली टेल मी. आई थिंक आई एम डिस्कनेक्टेड. एम आई नॉट ऑडिबल? स्टूडेंट्स, Am I not audible? Am I audible? Yes. मेरा क्वेश्चन है आप लोगों से, my question is, Tevisha Sharma is saying that I'm not audible. Beta, am I audible? All of you, sir, Rishabh sir, and the sir, CT sirs, am I audible? Am I audible? Am I visible? वैष्णवी, आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है क्या? Yes, Rishabh sir, okay, thank you sir. I am audible. Students, now see, the question is, single slit में और double slit में, in case of single slit and double slit, what is the difference in case of intensity pattern? What is the difference in case of intensity pattern? Quickly, students, quickly. Manisha, you were saying something. Should I unmute you? आप कुछ कह रही थी? No idea, Purv, think. Keshav, you are saying intensity is more. Okay, this is one point, but this is not the answer that I actually want. कितना क्या observe किया आप लोगों ने? Okay, tell me one thing. What was the pattern? What was the pattern of a double slit experiment? Wasn't it a zebra crossing? Something like this. Students, सिंगल स्लिट में मिनिमम पर इंटेंसिटी मैक्सिमम होती है. समथिंग एल्स. वहां पे आपने बेटा ऐसा कहीं पे देखा था कि ये जो एनर्जी है ये कम होती जा रही है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होती जा रही है? It reduces theta. No. The point is that for single slit experiment, you see that you get high intensity at center. That means a very dark fringe, very bright fringe, not dark, a very bright fringe at center. And after that, the intensity is reducing tremendously. See, observe, the intensity is reducing tremendously after this. Getting? किस तरह से बिल्कुल कम होती जा रही है, width भी कम होती जाएगी. But this is not what used to happen in a double slit experiment, isn't it? Students, getting the point what I'm saying? Single slit experiment में center पे tremendously bright energy है, tremendous bright fringe है, but after that it's decreasing like anything. बात समझ में आ रही है? Tapan, what are you saying? Tapan, I didn't got. Are you asking something, Tapan? This is the variation of intensity versus the angle. Okay. Tapan, do you have some doubt, Tapan? Quickly. एक बार डबल स्लिट का ग्राफ दिखाओ. बेटा डबल स्लिट का ग्राफ हम लोगों ने कैसा देखा था? It used to be a zebra crossing, something like this. वहां पे इतने tremendously एनर्जी डिक्रीज नहीं होती थी. ठीक है? So in case of diffraction pattern, what can we say? कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हम जो कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इन सिंगल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट सेंट्रल मैक्सिमम इंटेंसिटी अकर्स व्हेन थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0. पहला पॉइंट. ठीक है? ओके. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, द वैल्यू ऑफ मिनिमा एंड मैक्सिमा गॉट इंटरचेंज्ड इन केस ऑफ सिंगल स्लिट एंड डबल स्लिट. जैसे वहां पे आपने डेल्टा एक्स की जो कंडीशन की बात की थी, इट वाज n लैम्डा. हियर व्हाट डू यू हैव? हियर यू हैव डेल्टा एक्स इक्वल्स टू 2n plus 1 lambda by 2, isn't it? If you substitute delta x equal to a theta, you get result something like this. हाँ या ना बोलो स्टूडेंट जल्दी. Yes. Next point, similarly for minimum intensity, theta equals to n a lambda. हाँ या ना? Angular width of central maximum is between these 2 points. Okay. क्या हो गया स्मार्ट गर्ल? कोई डाउट? Any doubt? Because now I'm going to start the quiz. All of you. कोई डाउट हो तो जल्दी पूछो, क्विज स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं मैं. Quiz time, students. Ready for the quiz? Quickly. आप बात नहीं कर रहे मेरे से बेटा. क्लास का टाइम बातों के लिए नहीं होता है, कॉन्सेप्ट्स के लिए होता है. फोर्थ पॉइंट बता दो एक बार. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. ओके. द फोर्थ पॉइंट, सी द फोर्थ पॉइंट इज जो ब्लू लाइन में सेंटेंस लिखा है वो ठीक से ब्लू लाइन में. ओके. विड्थ ऑफ सेंट्रल मैक्सिमम इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द स्लिट विड्थ. इफ स्लिट विड्थ इज, I cannot read this sentence completely. Abhigyan, can you just write it down or read it for me? I'm unmuting you. मेरी स्क्रीन पे पूरी तरह से दिख नहीं रहा है. जो लास्ट क्या लिखा है, इफ स्लिट विड्थ इज, आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू से, आई एम टेलिंग यू डायरेक्टली व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू से, दैट द विड्थ ऑफ सेंट्रल मैक्सिमा की विड्थ मींस समथिंग लाइक दिस विड्थ. बेटा देखो ये, दिस इज द विड्थ ऑफ सेंट्रल मैक्सिमा. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द विड्थ ऑफ सेंट्रल मैक्सिमा. Tapan, what are you saying? I am trying to unmute you. Are you unmuted, Vijendra? Vijendra, आप unmute हुए? Yes, you are unmuted, Vijendra. Hello, Vijendra, can you hear me? Quickly.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vijendra. Please carry forward. Carry on, carry on.
सर ब्लू लाइन कहाँ गई, वो मेरे से विजिबल ही नहीं हो रही है.
ब्लू लाइन इज नॉट विजिबल. अब
यस सर, अब है.
हाँ
सर पढ़ के बताओ क्या.
Read it loudly.
Width of central maximum is inversely proportional to slit width A. If slit width is less, central maximum width increases,
Yes.
but intensity decreases if we reduce
Yes,
the
yes.
slit width.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
what
yeah.
is the meaning of this line?
हाँ, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन है ये. ठीक है, मेरे इसमें भी विजिबल नहीं थी. वेरी गुड. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to explain you now. Listen. So the point is, listen. This is the thickness of slit A. Okay, this is the thickness of slit A. If you increase the thickness of slit A, what would happen? That the width of this central maxima की जो width है, जो central maxima की width है, Tamanna, I am explaining what he said. In the blue line it was written that A is inversely proportional to the width of central maxima. Okay, how? Diffraction due to a single slit would only occur if this slit is very, very, very small as compared to the lambda of the light. So if this slit width is very small, you would observe diffraction. Okay, you would observe diffraction. If you increase the slit width, okay, the width of this central maxima would decrease. But its intensity would increase. क्या कहा मैंने कि अगर आप स्लिट की विड्थ को बढ़ाते हैं, जिसमें से लाइट आ रही है, लाइट जिस तरफ से आ रही है, लेट अस से कि इधर से लाइट आ रही है, दिस इज द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट एंड दिस इज द स्लिट एंड ओवर हियर वी हैव द स्क्रीन. सो इफ यू इंक्रीज द विड्थ ऑफ द स्लिट, okay, so what's going to happen? The width of the central maxima is going to decrease, but its intensity would increase. Intensity क्यों बढ़ेगी? Anyone? Intensity क्यों बढ़ेगी इसकी? Intensity क्यों बढ़ेगी? Yeah, definitely Keshav, I would draw it. Intensity क्यों बढ़ेगी? Anyone? This is the incoming light. This is the incoming light. Incoming light. सवाल ये है कि if we increase A, the point is if we increase A, what is A? The thickness of the slit. Okay, if we increase A, this width of central maxima would decrease. That is very true, because if you increase the width, if you increase the diffraction slit, okay, after a certain range diffraction won't be possible. आपने इतना बड़ा होल रख दिया तो उससे डिफ्रैक्शन थोड़ी होगा. डिफ्रैक्शन के लिए बहुत नॉमिनल सी विड्थ चाहिए. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन इज दैट इफ यू इंक्रीज ए, द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ सेंट्रल मैक्सिमा वुड इंक्रीज. आपको ज्यादा ब्राइट दिखेगा. क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई सो? क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई वुड इट हैपन? एनीवन? व्हाई वुड इट हैपन? ऐसा क्यों होगा? व्हाई वुड इट हैपन? एनीवन? तमन्ना, युवराज, Keshav, Vijendra, Harshul. Yeah, that's what I'm asking, that intensity increases. Reason पूछ रहा हूं मैं, why the intensity would increase? वैष्णवी, question है कि if you increase A, the width of central maxima decreases but intensity increases. Intensity बढ़ गई, क्यों? Reason? Anyone? Reason? Because intensity is dependent on the aperture. How? ज्यादा aperture होगा तो ज्यादा light अंदर आएगी. If there would be more aperture, more light would be entering, isn't it? That means the intensity is proportional to the aperture. वहां पे आपने देखा था intensity proportional to amplitude. If you increase the aperture, more light would enter. That's why at center the intensity of pattern would be more. हाँ, वैष्णवी, see, listen the point what I'm saying. अगर आप aperture की width बढ़ाते हैं, if you increase the width of the aperture, more light would enter, more energy would enter, isn't it? अगर ज्यादा लाइट कर दी तो ज्यादा लाइट एंटर होगी ना. आपने ज्यादा width बढ़ा दी, more light would enter. Okay, if more energy is entering, that means there would be more energy which is falling on the screen per unit area. And what is energy falling per unit area? This is nothing but the intensity. That means, in short, intensity would increase with the increase in aperture. Anirudh, if you increase the slit width, more energy would enter. That means higher intensity on the screen. Anyone? Quit out. All of you. Clear? Very good, Kshitij. Very good, Anirudh. Okay, let's get ahead. Now the quiz. Okay, Harshul. Okay, Harshul has a doubt in the fourth point. What is the fourth point? Yeah, see the graph now. Graph is very clear that what is the position of first minima? It is lambda by A. What is the position of first minima on the other side? Minus lambda by A. If you draw the graph, this is the position of first minima. Similarly, this is the position of first minima over the downside. Okay. So what is the position of first minima? Minima की condition हम लोगों ने अभी देखी. ये रही minima की condition. N lambda by A. Substitute n equal to 1. It would be lambda by A on the upper side as well as lambda by A on the minus side. मतलब नीचे की तरफ. एक को plus, एक को minus. Harshul, that's why they are saying if you need to find angular width, you would find the separation between these 2 points. Angular width मतलब इस जो central maxima के width निकालने का है अगर आपको, so you would find the difference between, you would find the width of this much width between lambda by A, between the position lambda by A and minus lambda by A. Harshul, clear है point? Harshul, is this thing very clear? Okay. Now the quiz time. Time for quiz. The bending of beam around corners of obstacle is called. The bending of beam around corners of obstacle is called. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Time starts now. 85% gave the correct answer. Still some of you gave the wrong answer. I'm amazed. See, the bending of beam around the corners of obstacles is called diffraction. यही तो समझ रहे हैं हम इतनी देर से, isn't it? Vijendra, what I was saying, that what are the positions? Vijendra, what are the positions of first minima on both the sides? It would be plus minus lambda by A, isn't it? Vijendra, आपका doubt था ना? You said to explain it again. That's why I'm explaining it again. ध्यान से सुनो. You need to find the thickness of the central maxima. So what it would be, where it would lie between plus lambda by A and minus lambda by A. Okay, that means the position of first minima on either sides. Clear? So this was the first quiz. Let's get to the second quiz. A quick question, students. सबका ध्यान इधर है. All of you, can you hear me? आवाज आ रही है? Audible है? Slide दिख रही है सबको? Quickly, very good. तो बताइए what is the essential condition for diffraction of light to occur? Essential condition. We have discussed this condition. n number of times in this lecture. Very good Keshav, very good Keshav. बिल्कुल सीधी सी बात है, straight forward question, that the aperture of slit should be comparable to the wavelength of the light. The aperture of the slit A should be comparable to the wavelength of the light. Okay, I don't think इसमें कोई दिक्कत होगी किसी को. Why do we fail to observe the diffraction from a wide slit? Why do we fail to observe diffraction from a wide slit? Wide slit से हम लोगों को illuminated by a monochromatic light. Wide slit से diffraction क्यों नहीं मिलता है? Anyone? Very good Keshav, logical answer, definitely. Good. बाकी लोग भी बताइए, please think over it. Think over it. Students, quickly. Intensity more, क्या कह रहे हैं आप? More intensity. क्षितिज प्रियांशु, what would be the reason? अगर हम लोगों ने A की वैल्यू बढ़ा दी, एक लेवल से ज्यादा कर दी, so why we won't be able to observe diffraction? See, because the positions of diffraction क्या लिखी है आपने? Either it be of minima or maxima. You have written them something like this: 2n plus 1 lambda by 2a. This is for maxima. And for minima what you have written, positions आपने क्या लिखी है? n lambda by. Students जल्दी ध्यान सबको इधर ही रखना है, all of you, सबका ध्यान है. So you can see that for the positions theta is inversely proportional to a. What is a? A is the thickness of the slit. If you increase a, this lambda is already very small, of the order of 10 to the power minus 10 angstrom में, तो ये theta कितना छोटा हो जाएगा? If you increase a, this theta would be so much very small that it would be negligible. You won't be able to observe any pattern. बात दिमाग में जा रही है? पैटर्न हो सकता है कि बन रहा हो, but you won't be able to observe it since the positions are so much very closely packed. Okay, getting the point? बात दिमाग में सबकी जा रही है? बात समझ में आ रही है? Definitely अनिरुद्ध, बिल्कुल पॉइंट से भी छोटा. Yeah, definitely. What I said, Keshav, I said that the positions, okay Vijendra, try to understand what I said, that what are the positions of theta for maxima and minima? Center पे maxima, then at some value of theta you would get a minima, then for some another value theta dash you would get maxima, and so on, isn't it? So we know that the formulas of theta for maxima and minima are something like this: equation 1, equation 2, isn't it? So you can conclude that theta is inversely proportional to a. You can conclude that theta is inversely proportional to a. हाँ या ना? Vijendra, हाँ या ना? Vijendra, yes or no? Quickly. Vijendra saying yes or no? Yes or no? Theta is inversely proportional to a. बेटा जल्दी बोलो सब लोग, all of you, बात समझ में आ रही है? थीटा इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू a. तो इससे क्या हो जाएगा? If a increases, this value would be so much very small, इतनी छोटी हो जाएगी कि it would coincide, बिल्कुल यहाँ पे सारे मैक्सिमा मिनिमा सब बिल्कुल इधर बन गए. So you won't be able to observe the pattern on the screen. जा रही दिमाग में? All of you, दिमाग में जा रहा है? बात समझ में आ रही है सबको? Quickly. Very good Keshav, very good Aniruddh, all of you, I'm talking to all of you. Very good Apurva, clear है बात? Okay, now see, quiz time. Okay, this is the question. Condition for diffraction. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Silly mistakes नहीं करनी है students. Start. Quickly, all of you. Be very quick. Okay. Increase the number of participation. Students, सबको participate करना है. All of you, I want participation from all of you, all of the students. लास्ट 6 सेकेंड्स, जल्दी आंसर लिखो सब लोग, सब लोग। 3, 2, 1 एंड हियर वी गो। ओके 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 ओके, लेट्स चेक, लेट्स चेक। हाँ, आंसर्स तो काफी जल्दी दिए स्टूडेंट्स ने। Who has given the correct answer? Harshul has given the correct answer. Very good, Harshul, in 0.844 seconds. युवराज ने मिस क्लिक कर दिया, नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम युवराज। तिवशा, करेक्ट आंसर। अपूर्वा, उमेश and smart girl, very good. Okay, so 51.52% of the students gave the correct answer. बेटा देखो देखो, पॉइंट क्या है? पॉइंट इज दैट a should be comparable to lambda, isn't it? A should be comparable to lambda. If a is very small, if a is very small, if a is very small, okay, अगर a बहुत छोटा है, so then what would happen? The condition is कि a छोटा होना चाहिए, it must be comparable to lambda. तो डायरेक्टली आप क्या बोल सकते हैं कि a अगर lambda के कंपेरेबल है तो this would be nearly equal to 1. ना तो ये बहुत ज्यादा इससे बड़ा होना चाहिए, ना इससे बहुत ज्यादा छोटा होना चाहिए, हाँ या ना? So the answer would be simply a, that a and lambda are comparable. A must be almost proportional to lambda. Okay, बेटा ये तो हम लोग कई बार कर चुके हैं। निशांत, अभी हम लोगों ने कई बार इसकी बात की थी कि a must be nearly equal to lambda, तो a by lambda it would be nearly equal to 1, isn't it? Anyways, अब देखते हैं कैसा सवाल है। How much time do you need for this question? You people tell me. Okay, when a compact disc is illuminated by a source of light, white light, colored lanes are observed. This is due to, how much time do you need for this? How much time do you need for this? 30 seconds, students. 1 second. So I'm giving you 30 seconds. I want answer from everyone. Time starts now. I want answer from everyone. Very good, very good. Good response, all of you. सब लोग देंगे आंसर इसका। 10 seconds, last 10 seconds. Okay, finally 5 seconds more, all of you. 4, 3, 2, 1 and here we go. Let's check the result. Again हर्षुल ने 0.393 seconds में आंसर दिया, देखते हैं करेक्ट दिया या नहीं। वेरी गुड हर्षुल, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। उमेश gave the wrong answer. अनिरुद्ध, वैष्णवी शर्मा, congrats. अपूर्व जाधव, congrats. दिग्विजय, केशव, एल्सा, अंसार, you people gave the correct answer. Very good. युवराज, क्या हो गया? आंसर्स क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? 58.82 seconds % of students gave the correct answer. Very good अभिज्ञान, very good अभिनव. Okay, डायरेक्ट सवाल है कि आपको जब मैंने लेक्चर स्टार्ट किया था, when we start the session, you saw that I have shown that, क्या कहते हैं, डिस्क दिखाई थी, है ना, और एक और फोटो दिखाया था जिसमें सनलाइट आ रही थी, टिंडल इफेक्ट हो रहा था, isn't it? So the disk, the concept of disk, it works on diffraction. ठीक है, डिफ्रैक्शन की वजह से ही उसमें पैटर्न्स फॉर्म होते हैं. सो द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन वुड बी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड बी. लास्ट स्लाइड, कौन सी वाली लास्ट स्लाइड? दिस वन. विजेंद्र, विच लास्ट स्लाइड, दिस वन और दिस वन? मैं 2-3 स्लाइड सारी जो अभी हमने देखी दिखा रहा हूं. यू प्लीज टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट, वॉट एवर स्लाइड यू वॉन्ट. ओके विजेंद्र? ओके ओके, नाउ सी, अनिरुद्ध हैज सम डाउट. अनिरुद्ध का कुछ डाउट है. लेट्स सी व्हाट डाउट अनिरुद्ध हैज. अनिरुद्ध, आपको मैंने अनम्यूट करने की कोशिश की, बट योर माइक्रोफोन इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली. ओके, निशांत, डोंट क्राई बेटा, ज्यादा टाइम मिलेगा इस बार, ज्यादा टाइम दे दूंगा. ओके, विजेंद्र, विच पॉइंट यू आर सेइंग बेटा? कौन से पॉइंट की आप बात कर रहे हैं विजेंद्र? विजेंद्र, विच पॉइंट आर यू सेइंग? Yeah, definitely Nishant, no issues. Vijendra, please quickly tell me which point are you saying? I'm unmuting you. कौन से पॉइंट की आप बात कर रहे हैं विजेंद्र?
सर लास्ट वाली स्लाइड में जो 3-4 पेजेस छोड़ के एक और है ना.
एक मिनट है ना, मैं आ रहा हूँ पीछे.
ये इसके पहले वाली,
ये वाला?
यस सर.
अच्छा ये इसमें हमने क्या बात की थी? इसमें हमने बात की थी
क्यों सर वो थीटा मैक्स वाला पॉइंट एक बार फिर से समझा दीजिए।
ओके 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 या सी व्हाट विजेंद्र इज आस्किंग, व्हाट ही इज आस्किंग, ही इज आस्किंग कि ये फॉर्मूला किधर से आया था, ही इज आस्किंग कि ये फॉर्मूला किधर से आया था थीटा मैक्स एंड थीटा मिन का। विजेंद्र दिस इज सिंगल स्लिट और मैंने आपसे कहा था, आई सेड दैट द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ single slit and double slit are exactly opposite. If I write this is single slit, this is double slit, okay, okay. So what is the result in YDSC for maxima? Vijendra, what is the formula? What is the formula for maxima? Delta x, condition of maxima. What is the condition of maxima, Vijendra? What used to be the condition of maxima? Delta x equals to n lambda. Okay, the condition of maxima in single slit is going to be opposite. You would write delta x equals to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. इसको हमने derive किया था, आप एक बार previous slides में definitely जाके देख सकते हैं विजेंद्र। So this used to be the condition of maxima for single slit, just opposite to that of double slit. And we can write delta x equals to a sin theta. ठीक है, ये किधर से आया बेटा विजेंद्र? ये किधर से आया? ये इधर से आता है। That this is the diffraction happening. Okay, okay. So this is delta x. Okay, this is delta x. If you equate both of them, you get the same result. Okay, if you equate both of them, you get this result: theta maximum, similarly theta minimum. Okay. Now, sir, now listen, everyone. The next question for you is here. सब लोग अब बातें बंद कर, चैट में सब लोग पंचायत बंद करो, काम की बातों पे आओ, सब लोग काम की बातों पे आओ इधर। All of you, focus on the quiz. बातें बंद, सब लोग बातें बंद करो। Listen, the question says, बाद में मत बोलना कि टाइम कम दिया। The question says, direction of first secondary maxima in the Fraunhofer diffraction pattern at a single slit is given by. I am assigning you 1 minute for this question. Okay, all of you bring your focus, bring your energy, bring your concentration back to the question, and the time starts now. शुरू हो जाओ सब लोग बिल्कुल। क्या बात है बताओ, कुछ लोगों ने बना भी लिया सवाल इतनी जल्दी, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी नाइस। देखते हैं कितने लोगों ने सही बताया है। लेट्स सी। ओके, लास्ट 30 seconds, ऑल ऑफ यू थिंक ओवर इट। अभी कंडीशंस बताई मैंने आप लोगों को। I have given you the condition of maxima and minima right now. Students, give your focus, give your mind, give your thoughts. All of you. ध्यान देना होगा सब लोगों को। Okay, last 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, and here we go. Okay, so let's see कि क्या गुल खिलाया है। उमेश, हर्षुल, अपूर्वा, हर्षिता, you gave the correct answer. I congratulate all 4 of you. You are in the top 10. Top 10 में इन लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया। अनिरुद्ध और युवराज ने काफी जल्दी आंसर दिया, but I think that they have again made some silly mistake. Okay, so 42.42% of the students have given the correct answer. Okay, now see. What is he asking? Congratulations Digvijay, congratulations Kshitij, Priyanshu, very nice, good performance by you people. What are they saying? Direction of the first secondary maxima. सर आप 30 सेकेंड टाइमर स्टार्ट करने से पहले 2 फिर टाइमर स्टार्ट करो प्लीज, समझो ना। अरे निशांत, 100% स्टूडेंट्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, ठीक है, दैट मीन्स टाइम का तो कोई इशू नहीं था इस क्वेश्चन में। So why it went wrong? You try to understand that why, what conceptual mistake you did. I would give 30 seconds, उसमें कोई issue नहीं है. Okay? Yeah, that's okay. 30 seconds दे दूंगा, उसमें कोई issue नहीं है. But the point is that what mistake you did in this question. अच्छा, top 10 में आने के chances. Okay, okay, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है? कोई दिक्कत नहीं. I would give you 30 seconds to read the question. No issues. Okay, Yuvraj. So now see. Direction of first secondary maximum. Direction of first secondary maximum. Okay. Smart girl, you are distracting everyone. I'm getting complaints from everyone. What are you doing? Are you here to distract everyone? So I have blocked smart girl. Okay, smart girl को block कर दिया. ठीक है? Yes. Okay, Ankita. No issues. See. The single point agenda why you people have joined this program is not for entertainment. It's not for gossiping, not for wasting your time. It's just to grab as much concepts as you can and to nail the exam like anything. You have all the good faculties of all the 3 subjects with you. Okay? All you need is dedication. And one more thing I will tell you from my personal experience, you would get students, you would get people who would distract you at every instant of time. Okay, आपको ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे जो आपको distract करेंगे, कॉलेज में भी मिलेंगे, आगे के लाइफ में भी मिलेंगे. But it's your own self-discipline that how do you tackle these things. Okay, so let's get back to the point. This is what we have seen. This is what you have seen. हमने देखा this is what we have seen. Okay, this is the central maxima. This is the central maxima. Okay, this is the first maxima. Okay, they are asking you what is the first secondary maxima. What is the first secondary maxima? Okay, अब सब लोग बातें बंद करो. This is first secondary maxima. First secondary maxima. After that, second secondary maxima, third secondary maxima, fourth secondary maxima, and so on. Okay. So what is the condition of maxima? What is the condition of maxima? That a sine theta, that means delta x, all of you, delta x, it should be equal to how much? It should be equal to how much? 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. अभी हम लोगों ने देखा ना, the condition of maxima for single slit. Delta x equals to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. Okay, 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. ठीक है, डेल्टा एक्स इक्वल्स टू ए साइन थीटा इक्वल्स टू एन प्लस 1 लैम्डा बाय 2. ये बात क्लियर है? बात समझ में आ रही है? गेटिंग द पॉइंट? ये बात क्लियर है? यस. सो सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ एन इक्वल टू 1 ओवर हियर. फर्स्ट सेकेंडरी मैक्सिमा के लिए क्या मिलता है आपको? ए साइन थीटा इक्वल टू 3 लैम्डा बाय 2. And this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. This is the result. क्या ये बात सबके समझ में आई? All of you got the point? Students, very good. शाबाश. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's get ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं, आगे की बातें करते हैं. Okay. कुछ ज्यादा आगे निकल गए हम लोग. या this is a quiz, but this is not properly given. Okay, one second. Yeah, see. Okay, so here we are. This is the next question. Read the question, all of you. कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. तमन्ना is saying कि कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. I am refreshing it once. Now, students, quickly, can you see it now? Yes, very good, thank you. Now read the question. Yellow light is used in a single diffraction experiment with slit width 0.6 mm. if yellow light is replaced by X-rays, if yellow light is replaced by X-rays, how will the diffraction pattern be affected? सोचो, सोचो, सोचो. Where you have to go, युवराज? कहाँ जाना है आपको? Where you have to go? See, the point is definitely इसमें options नहीं है निशांत. ये मैंने इसलिए दिया है question so that I can explain one important point. This is a straightforward question. I want to explain a point. That's why I've given this question. The point is, if you decrease the wavelength by a certain length, if you decrease the wavelength by below a certain length, then the diffraction pattern would be lost. अब हमको पता है कि जो एक्सरेज होती हैं, the lambda of X-rays is lesser than the lambda of the visible light. Okay, visible light. That's why the X-ray pattern would be lost. Okay. Now see, here you have the comparison between interference and diffraction. This is a very important question. Directly मैं आपको explain कर रहा हूँ. Then we would get onto a quiz. इंटरफेरेंस स्टूडेंट्स ध्यान से सुनना, एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं मैं पूरी बात, ध्यान से सुनना प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू. इंटरफेरेंस, डिफ्रैक्शन. इंटरफेरेंस इज रिजल्ट ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन ऑफ सेकेंडरी वेवलेट्स ऑफ टू कोहेरेंट सोर्सेस. ये हम देख चुके हैं कि दो कोहेरेंट सोर्सेस हम लोगों ने लिए, उनका जब सुपरपोजिशन होता है देन वी कॉल इट एज इंटरफेरेंस. डिफ्रैक्शन इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ सुपरपोजिशन ऑफ अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ वेव्स इमेनेटिंग फ्रॉम अ सेम वेव फ्रंट. एक स्लिट से आ रही हैं वेव्स, हाँ या ना? द सिंगल स्लिट एंड डबल स्लिट डिफरेंस, दैट डिफ्रैक्शन इज ड्यू टू अ सिंगल स्लिट, YDSC इज ड्यू टू टू स्लिट्स. पहला पॉइंट, यस और नो? वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, ऑल ब्राइट एंड डार्क फ्रिंजेस आर ऑफ इक्वल विड्थ. इस बात पे मैं फोकस कर चुका हूं, काफी एम्फेसाइज किया था मैंने इस पॉइंट पे जब मैंने पूछा था आपसे कि व्हाट इज द इंटेंसिटी, कि ब्राइट एंड डार्क फ्रिंजेस are of equal width, and here what happens, the width of central maxima is larger. देखा था ना हम लोगों ने कि central maxima large, फिर उसके बाद decrease and zero, isn't it? The width of central bright fringe is much larger than the other maximas. We have seen this point in the lecture. Yes, all bright fringes are of nearly same intensity. All bright fringes are of same intensity in YDSC. zebra crossing, सारी strips equal. मैंने बोला था डिक्रीज नहीं होती है इंटेंसिटी. I said that it's not decreasing up till a certain length. एक लेंथ के बाद डिक्रीज होगी, ठीक है? लेकिन in single slit experiment intensity decreases sharply as we move away from the central maxima. Yes or no बोलना पड़ेगा स्टूडेंट्स quickly. हाँ या ना? Very nice all of you quickly. Good contrast between dark and bright fringes. The dark regions are not perfectly dark. मतलब इसमें इतना शार्प पैटर्न नहीं बनता है सिंगल स्लिट में. At an angle lambda by A, we obtain a bright fringe, while where A is the separation between the slits. At an angle lambda by A, we obtain the first dark fringe. मतलब ये क्या बोलना चाह रहा है इस क्वेश्चन में? That the results are opposite. The results are opposite. The positions of maxima are the positions of minima now. ठीक है? We have already seen this. Now we are getting on. See, this is YDSC. This is YDSC, and this is single slit experiment. This is the graph for YDSC. This is the graph for single slit experiment. इसके बाद decrease होते zero. Students, yes or no? Clear है? Now the quiz time. All of you, be ready for the quiz. Red light is generally used to observe pattern from single slit. If blue light is used, then the diffraction pattern. Think over it. I am giving you. ठीक है, क्विज स्टार्ट करने के पहले 30 सेकंड ले लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सोच लो. समय दे रहा हूं मैं, बाद में मत बोलना कि सर टाइम नहीं दिया, है ना निशांत? हाँ 30 सेकंड दे रहा हूं, 20 सेकंड बचे, सोच लो पहले, ठीक है। अब स्टार्ट कर दें क्विज, शुड वी स्टार्ट द क्विज? यस, सो नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग द क्विज। आई एम गिविंग यू 45 seconds for the quiz. Time starts now. Now I don't want silly mistakes. Now I don't want silly mistakes. Quickly, students. Last 20 seconds. All of you सोच के जवाब देना है, जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है। डायरेक्ट सवाल है, लैम्डा ऑफ रेड और लैम्डा ऑफ ब्लू को कंपेयर कर लो, हिंट दे रहा हूं मैं। कंपेयर द लैम्डा फॉर रेड एंड लैम्डा फॉर ब्लू लाइट। लास्ट 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1 and here we go. Let's see the result. Let's check. अनिरुद्ध ने बहुत जल्दी जवाब दिया, हर्षुल ने बहुत जल्दी जवाब दिया, शुभम, और इनमें से करेक्ट किस किस का है? अनिरुद्ध गॉट द करेक्ट आंसर, मयंक गॉट द करेक्ट आंसर, श्वेता एंड अभिज्ञान। ओके, only 38.24% gave the correct answer. So now the question arises that I gave sufficient time, still why you got the wrong answer? Okay, see, थीटा का आपने रिजल्ट देख के रखा था, that theta is inversely proportional to lambda, isn't it? वो जो रिजल्ट्स हमने देखे, थीटा फॉर मैक्सिमा 2n plus 1 lambda by 2a, sorry, directly proportional to lambda, sorry, lambda by 2a, directly proportional to lambda, okay, lambda by 2a, है ना? And same for maxima, the conditions for minima and maxima, theta is proportional to lambda, फॉर्मूले देखे थे ना हमने। so रेड और ब्लू में लैम्डा किसका ज्यादा होता है? लैम्डा फॉर रेड इट्स ग्रेटर देन लैम्डा फॉर ब्लू, isn't it? So the positions of maxima and minima for red would be far apart, दूर दूर होंगी, ज्यादा एंगल पे होंगी रेड के लिए, isn't it students? The position of maxima and minima, if this is the pattern for red, let's say if this is the pattern for red light, this would be the pattern for, ये इधर छोटा छोटा बनेगा थोड़ा सा इन शॉर्ट, है ना? This would be the pattern for blue light, that means it would contract. ये देखो लैम्डा से डायरेक्ट एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं, we know theta is directly proportional to lambda, so the pattern is going to shrink, it's going to contract. Yes or no students, quickly, हाँ या ना? ओके, चलो, वेरी नाइस, आगे बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू पीपल, पढ़ लो सवाल पढ़ लो। In the far field diffraction of a single slit under polychromatic illumination, the first minimum of wavelength lambda 1 is found to coincide with the third maximum. अच्छा सवाल है। First minimum of lambda 1 coincides with the third maximum of lambda 2. Take your time. Should I start the quiz? I will give you manually 1 minute. Start करें quiz स्टार्ट कर दें। I will give you manually 1 minute for this question. Okay, मैं वेट कर रहा हूं, I'm waiting for 10 seconds. Think over it. I'm giving you manually 1 minute. I'm starting the quiz. Okay, so the time starts now. This is the last question, all of you. Carefully, please do it carefully. I want to see you people on leaderboard. जिनकी रैंक पीछे थी, I want to see their ranks up this time. लाइफ में प्रोग्रेस होनी चाहिए. I want to see you guys succeed every day, every single moment. So take your time. Still इससे रैंक नहीं बढ़ेगी, लेकिन कॉन्फिडेंस तो बढ़ेगा बेटा. अभिज्ञान, सही आंसर करोगे मैं तारीफ करूंगा आपकी, अच्छा लगेगा, isn't it? आशीर्वाद मिलेगा मेरा, दुआएं मिलेंगी, बहुत बड़े आदमी बनोगे. देखते हैं फिर मुझको याद करते हो कि नहीं, जब आप IITs में या तो एम्स में पहुंच जाओगे, फिर देश के लिए बड़ा बड़ा काम कर रहे होगे. लेट्स सी उस समय पे आपके मैसेजेस आते हैं कि नहीं. Okay, anyways, last 30 seconds. I am from Mumbai, Anirudh, and I have shared my Telegram link with you people. I will be sharing it right now. Okay, so last 10 seconds, students, last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds, please give the answer quickly. Okay, so the time, last 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and the time is up. Okay, let's see the result. The answer is C. The answer is C. Okay. Okay, Tamanna, I have not shared the link. I'm really sorry. I would be sharing it right now. 45.16% gave the answer correctly. Okay. Now see, the answer is C. The answer is C. बहुत ही simple question है, direct question है. Position of first minima. Position of first minima. What is the position of minima? What is the position of minima? Minima की condition क्या होती है? N lambda d by d. It must be equal to position of third maxima 2n plus 1 lambda d by 2d. Isn't it, students? एक जगह पे हम लिखेंगे lambda 1, एक जगह पे हम लिखेंगे lambda 2. हाँ या ना? Please tell me quickly. Lambda 1, lambda 2. एक जगह पे n की वैल्यू 1, एक जगह पे n की वैल्यू 3. So the answer would be 3.5 times of lambda 2. Yeah, Tamanna, I'm giving the link. The link is physics. The link is physics KK. Okay, very good, Kshitij. So this is the link. Okay. आप कभी भी कोई भी गाइडेंस चाहिए हो, कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए हो, you can definitely text me over there. पिन कैसे करते हैं इसको? पिन कर दूं? अरे इससे तो ब्लॉक होने वाले थे, क्षितिज ब्लॉक होने वाले थे इससे तुम. Okay, so this is the ID for Telegram. You can ask for your any कोई भी support चाहिए हो, you can directly text me over there. Okay. So this was it. It was a great session. I hope you people would recall it before getting to the next session. Okay. All the best. और जो students को मैंने रुकने का कहा था, आप लोग please आ जाइए. अभी मैं हूँ 10 मिनट के लिए. हाँ, डॉगी दिखा दूंगा. पहले स्टूडेंट्स जिनको डाउट्स थे, कौन कौन थे? या लीडर बोर्ड डेफिनेटली लीडर बोर्ड देखते हैं. यस, हर्षुल, वेरी गुड हर्षुल, कांग्रेट्स, क्या बात है. अपूर्व, अभिज्ञान, उमेश, मयंक, हर्षिता, वैष्णवी, श्वेता, केशव, क्षितिज, पूजा, तिविशा, दिग्विजय, अनिरुद्ध एंड स्मार्ट गर्ल. So these are the toppers of the leaderboard. Very nice. जिन लोगों को डाउट्स थे, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू. वैष्णवी और कौन थे, मैंने नाम लिया था, मानसी आर्या, वैष्णवी, वैशाखा, कहाँ चले गए आप लोग? बेटा, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर टू क्लियर योर डाउट्स. आर यू देयर? ओके, अपूर्व इज आस्किंग सम डाउट. ये देखो, अब ये भाग भी गए, है ना. ये बोलते हैं कि डाउट्स है, समझ में नहीं आया. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू पीपल एंड यू जस्ट रन अवे. स्ट्रेंज. पहले के समय में क्या होता था कि स्टूडेंट्स यूज्ड टू फाइंड टीचर्स, ढूंढते थे कि कहीं पे टीचर्स मिल जाए तो हम डाउट पूछ लेंगे. अब टीचर्स ढूंढते हैं, बेटा डाउट हो तो आओ बताते हैं हम लोग, और बच्चे भाग जाते हैं. बताओ, इजंट इट स्ट्रेंज? रिलेशन बिटवीन इंटेंसिटी एंड फ्रिंज विड्थ. ओके अपूर्व, मैं बनाता हूं. आई थिंक आफ्टर दिस लीडर बोर्ड दिस स्लाइड इज वर्किंग. या इट्स वर्किंग. सी, इंटेंसिटी और फ्रिंज विड्थ का रिलेशन आपको बता रहा हूं मैं. दिस इज फ्रिंज विड्थ. हाँ बेटा विजेंद्र, सही बात बोली, कलयुग है ये. ये ए है. सी व्हाट आई सेड कि दिस इज द स्क्रीन. ओके, यहां पे से लाइट आ रही है. इफ यू इंक्रीज द विड्थ, लेट से आपने विड्थ इंक्रीज कर दी. अब आपने विड्थ कितनी कर दी? इसको थोड़ा सा मैं इरेज कर देता हूं. आपने विड्थ बढ़ा दी. ओके. हाँ बेटा, जिनको डाउट्स नहीं है वो प्लीज आप लोग जा सकते हैं. जिनको डाउट्स नहीं है वो प्लीज यू कैन गो. थैंक यू फॉर योर पेशेंस. ओके, टेलीग्राम लिंक है या ग्रुप है? इट्स अ लिंक, और मैं एक ग्रुप भी है फिजिक्स नाम से. आई वुड ऐड यू पीपल इन दैट. हाँ केशव, 2 मिनट है ना, पहले डाउट्स बता दें, फिर पैब्लो से मिलवाता हूं. सो यस, लिसन, if you increase the width now, so more energy would enter, isn't it? More energy would enter, हाँ या ना? और energy enter होगी, so more energy would strike on the surface per unit area. That means there would be a higher intensity. That means the slit width is proportional to intensity. The slit width is proportional to the intensity. Clear? और कोई डाउट किसी को भी? देखते हैं पैब्लो क्या कर रहा है. Let's see what this fellow is doing. Pablo, आजा, come, ये लो. आ जाओ. Okay, so here is Pablo. ये आ गया Pablo. दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? This is Pablo. Pablo, hello बोल दो बेटा. This. बस. ठीक है? Okay. So finally, bye. Tata. Take care, Pablo. Wish the students good luck. Take care. We would catch you in the next lecture, next session. All the best. Bye. Jai Hind.